Happy Monday. It's time to collect the eggs and see what we got. It has rained all day today. On and off. This girl's still in there. I'm coming back to you, girl. Alright, 2. 4. 6. 7. Alright, let Daddy see if you're sitting on anything. Or I'm gonna be shocked. Nope. Okay. Alright, white poop. Watch out. Watch out, little speckled. Nothing. Got 1. 2 in the coop. 4 in the coop. Another Americana Leghorn. Oop. We got 2. That one's a big one. 4. 5. 6, 7. Nothing. We also moved some of the babies. Alright. Blue Brahma and Goldie. I see one. Where's your other one, Golds? You didn't lay today? No? You didn't want to lay? Daddy moved it around. Black mottled. Sorry, baby. Come on, get back. Black Brahma and Dora the Explorer. Oop. 3. 5. And we got a broody girl. We got a broody girl. Hey, honey, you got anything under you? Yep. Take that. Alright, this is the haul for today. We got 26 eggs. As always, have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.